Noise is a serious concern, causing health problems and stress. Increases in noise exposure are linked with an increased risk of cardiovascular issues. A sleepless night caused by noise can lower productivity at work, reducing economic growth, financial penalties for businesses, and delays in planning consents. Transport noise has a negative effect if not properly monitored and managed. Airports, airplanes, bus terminals, buses, railway stations, lines, road traffic and vehicles. These sounds have a serious effect on people living or working nearby. Some of the loudest noises we experience are around different modes of transport. However, some noise is important. For instance, with quieter electric methods of travel, noise can warn someone of an approaching danger. This is why government sets standards relating to noise and vibration. WES 4142 is one of the most important. And this is where acousticians come in, working hard within government policy to design more comfortable, sustainable solutions to improve our everyday lives affected by transport.